Hi, welcome to FitNCalm. I'm Kushpinder and today we'll be learning how to do the headstand with the help of the TRX. So put on your TRX and let's get started. So just put on your TRX wherever you are. It could be the back of your door or it could be somewhere outdoors. And again, the length of this is around your calf length. So just adjust it according to your height. You might have to adjust it a little bit up or down. That you'll come to know after a few times you've tried it out. But be a little safe. So before you begin any of these, please do strengthen your core before attempting all of this. So if you have a decent amount of core strength, the TRX can actually help build it a little more. But if you are not at all strong, you're on your way to getting there, I would advise that you do some core strengthening on the TRX before you go attempt the headstands or any of the other asanas. For those of you who are ready, sit down. And so what we are going to do is again put the right leg in the left cradle and the left one in the right cradle and just kind of twist downwards. That helps your knees come down very easily. So we come down and again at a plank length kind of adjust your body. So just take your hands down like this. So if you have any clips like I do, you might want to adjust it. So we have another friend watching over here. The dogs also come to do the headstand. So let's get down. Come down on your knees and just come up on your elbows. Use your hands as a support to the head. And now just gently lift the knees off the floor. Just gently lift. If you can, just straighten out the legs. And now just take the feet outwards. And just straighten your legs. So you might want to adjust your position a little bit so that your feet don't go too back and your lower back is not stressed out when you do this. So ideally you kind of take the support of the TRX as little as possible. If you are able to see the TRX is kind of slackened. I'm not really using the TRX for support over here. The TRX is more or less just giving me support so that I don't fall back and I get the confidence to stand on my head even without the straps. So when you're doing the headstand, make sure you keep the core nicely engaged. Make sure your buttocks are tightened and you're using the whole body, the thighs, legs, everything. So once you think that you're done, you can take the legs out and very slowly just come down. So relax in Shishupasana. So you can do a version where you do it on the elbows. The same thing, you can try it on the elbow. So that happens when you start getting stronger. So you can just do the same things. And then you can slowly maybe come up on the hands for the handstand also. You can do this. But be safe no matter how you're doing. Just be safe while you're doing it. And I hope you enjoyed the video. Do like, share and comment. Let's spread more positivity in the world. May you stay fit and calm.